Welcome back, friends, to another episode of Mind Shine Monday. If you guys have not seen my I've learned more from YouTube than Yale video, please check it out. Long story short, this man, Patrick Bet-David, taught me more in 4 videos than 4 years at Yale University did. Today we'll be talking about a very important mindset for tackling biases, which Patrick calls the edge of the coin. But first, who is Pat? Pat is 42 years old. He is a centa-millionaire with over a $160 million net worth, according to the internet. He also runs a YouTube channel, which I believe is the best channel for entrepreneurs. It's called Valuetainment. Pat immigrated to the US when he was 10 years old. His family was escaping the Iranian Revolution. When he came to America, during his early education, throughout high school, he was a horrible student, but then he joined the military after he graduated and he started an insurance business, which really took off. He loves interviewing, and I love watching these interviews with successful entrepreneurs ranging from the late Kobe Bryant to billionaire Mark Cuban and Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak. All right, now onto the good stuff. The edge of the coin. An insanely simple but insanely important mindset for our ever polarizing society. Some of you guys might make fun of me because this sounds super duper obvious, but I really do think it's quite hard to implement in our daily lives. Essentially, Pat argues that whenever we approach a controversial issue, Democrats versus Republicans, bull market, bear market, should I invest in crypto? It's super duper important to spend time analyzing both sides of the issue. In fact, you want to be exactly in the middle. Simple enough, but the reason I think that this is so uber duper important is because I am now seeing some of the smartest people that I know, Exeter grads, Yale grads, just refuse to listen, engage, converse with the other party. There's been a huge rise in cancel culture, where I've seen some of my friends quite literally saying, if you are a Trump supporter, unfollow, block, I don't want to see you ever again in my life. Indeed, social media has really exacerbated this issue because it only exposes us to things that it knows we already like, so that when we do see an opposing viewpoint perspective, our first reaction is now repulsion. It's gonna take a lot more than a single YouTube video to solve this issue, but I firmly believe that as a society, we need to unlearn this habit. I want you guys to make a mental promise with me. Explore dissenting viewpoints. In fact, you have to actively search for them because social media, the news is not going to do it for you. You have to spend twice as much time looking at the other side as you do looking at your own side. Personally, that's what I think it means to be a student and intellectual in the 21st century. That's all for today, folks. Know that I am constantly rooting for you. Your success is my success. Until next time, peace.